Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing these Auto One LED bulbs in my 2007 GMC Sierra. If you're interested in these, there is a discounted link in the description below this video. In this video, I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to install them, and then a road test showing you what it looks like before and after. Backstory on this. A while back I had another light bulb company that sells LEDs contact me and they said, hey, we want to send you some product to try out. And I was pretty happy with all my lights on all my vehicles, so I said, well, just send me a set of high beams for my truck. Sometimes with LEDs you get flash when you're going down the road, so I thought, well, if I got high beams, I know I have to dim them so I won't be getting flashed on my low beams, hopefully. Well, once I installed the high beams, well, take a look at this video and you'll see what my problem was. So this is what the original bulbs look like on low beam. And then this is the high beams. So as you can see, it's really hard to be satisfied with these when you can go to this. So needless to say, once I got the high beams in, my low beams basically looked like I had my marker lights on, like they were so dim. So Auto One sent me these LEDs the other day to put in for my low beam. So we're gonna see what they sent in the box here and get them installed and see how they work. All right, they come with some gloves, some zip ties, and some double-sided tacky tape. A little manual here, and they come with some, looks like decoders. Sometimes your vehicles, depending on what you have, will need to have these because LEDs run on a different voltage than regular light bulbs, so these decoders help your vehicle read it like a normal bulb. All right, so let's get these installed. So that's my low beams right now, and like I said, I thought they were pretty good. There just is no comparison between LEDs and regular lights. So that's what it looks like on high beams right now. Until recently, I've always ran regular bulbs, and a while back we had a deer run out, well, a couple deer, and I just started thinking about the fact that with some brighter bulbs I would have more visibility. So I was thankful to get some trial bulbs, LED bulbs, and it just made a world of difference. Now I'm pretty much sold on them. I really like them for the probably 2 to 3 times the visibility with LEDs. Here's the outside bulbs are the low beams. So just twist them, pop them out, undo the bulb here. What's nice about these decoders is they're already in line, so you don't have a separate set of things to hook up or anything. Just direct plug and play. And they just plug right in just like the old bulb came out. And then just this mounting bracket kind of makes it difficult to get to this one. There we go. Your bulb should always end up at the 3 and the 9 position. You want the chips to the side, or you're probably going to have problems because that's kind of the way your reflectors are designed. So your cord should come right out the bottom. And then I'm just going to stuff this encoder in here. It's not going to cause any problem. It's not close to the fan or anything. So we're just going to make sure it fits nice in there. Slide this headlight assembly back in here. There we go. Slide our mounting pins back in. Your bulbs, if you have a newer vehicle especially, will probably not be as easy to get to as this one. This is an older truck. And that's one of the benefits. All right, one side done. See if, make sure we got it all hooked up right. Oh yeah, wow. You can see the difference right now. Wow, night and day. I can't look this one straight in the bulb because it blinds me. Kind of a cold day today. It's hard to get the fingers to move right. Direct plug and play, just plug it right in. Slip it in where it goes. Get in the right position. It might be easier if you don't plug that in first and then plug it in after you get this bulb in place. And this one's fighting me. I'm just gonna undo this. There, I can get this out here where you can see it. And it made it a lot easier. Now we'll plug it in. Push our wires back in there. Lots of room back there for them. Put this bulb in on this side. Push all of our wires back in where they go, out of the way. Push our headlight back in place. Alright, we'll keep these as a backup in case we have one go out or something. Never hurts to have extra bulbs around. All right, one more thing to do, take it for a road test and see how it compares to the old low beams. All right, this is what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. Low beams, high beams. Low beams, high beams. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you are interested in getting some LED bulbs from this company, the discount will be in the description below the video. You can use my discount link to order them and save a little bit of money. LEDs are the way to go. That's been my experience. Give these a try. They look like pretty good quality product, and they'll definitely keep you safer as you're driving down the road. Till next time guys, good luck with all your projects.